folks, so I'm going to censor out every single detail in this Amber Alert. So
East winds 15 to 20
I just want to
miles
let
an
you all
hour,
know
becoming
before I
southeast
start.
10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The San Marcos Police Department is searching for. They were last seen at 1 p.m. in San Marcos, Texas. Last seen wearing... Police are looking for. In connection with their abduction. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Marcos Police Department at 512-753-2108. News media point of contact is San Marcos Police Department at 512-216-5196. The Laredo Climate...